How to change your profile name in Adobe Firefly. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon and on the top, tap on Manage Account. Now this will lead you to a very different page. Here on the bottom, you can find the option called Edit Profile. Tap on Edit Profile. So basically this is the place where you can make different changes in your profile. Here tap on Change your profile name. So this is the place where you can easily edit it. Now you can easily erase and type a new name. At last, here on the bottom, tap on Save and you're all set to go. So your profile name has been updated. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.